Another great way to use the Dwarf telescope, especially with kids and people that are just starting in astrophotography, is to use it just to explore the stars. So for example, you can do an imaging session of just 15 or 20 minutes on a certain constellation or star clusters, and just take that, just enough images for 15 or 20 minutes at 15 seconds each, or 13 seconds at the very least. I don't take anything less than 13 seconds. It's always going to be between 13 and 15 seconds. And then you're going to have images where you can just learn about the sky and the universe and the constellations and the stars. And that way you start getting into the astrophotography mania mode, because it is very addictive. It's such a rewarding hobby and so peaceful that you're going to love it. So just start studying around your area where you have more of the clear skies. When I say clear skies, that you don't have trees and walls in front of you. Just do short imaging sessions to start learning your sky. If you're interested in taking your fabulous images a little bit further and make them look even better, just subscribe to my channel and click like, and I will appreciate it. Thank you for watching.